Welcome to episode 2 of the SVI Toyota Hilux Toughness series. Today we will see how the SVI B6 stop conversion 2 kit stacks up against a riot attack. If you need more proof that the B6 stop conversion 2 kit from SVI is tough, this vehicle behind me sustained a continuous riot attack and the occupants are still safe. For more information, visit SVI.